Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today, we're going to draw a heart with magical colors. Let's get started. First, we'll draw the heart. Make your lines nice and neat. All done. Now let's trace it so the heart looks clear. Perfect. Time to color now. Let's start with green. Oh no, the paint feels a bit sick. Next is yellow. I love yellow, and today it looks so bright and pretty. Orange is wonderful too. Do you like orange? Can you guess what color is next? It's red.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two.
Such a bright, shiny red.
Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Okay, now beside it we'll add blue.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
These colors look so nice together. What do you think?
The clock struck five. She went to her
And finally, purple. I really love